In this guide, we explore seamless methods using native applications like Photos and Preview, and third-party software, ensuring users can effortlessly navigate through this conversion process. Part 1. What is HEIC? HEIC stands for High Efficiency Image Format. It is a file format for still images and image sequences, which was developed by the Moving Picture Experts Group, MPEG. HEIC is designed to provide a more efficient compression method for high-quality images. Part 2. How to convert HEIC to JPG on Mac with Preview. Open HEIC in Preview. Batch select Files. Go to File, Export. Choose JPEG format. Adjust quality. Optionally rename. Set destination in where, click Save to convert to JPG. Part 3. How to change HEIC to JPG on Mac using Photos. Open Photos. Import HEIC via File, Import. Select the image. Go to File, Export, Export X Photos. From Photo Kind, choose JPEG View Options. Click Export. Select a folder to save the converted image. View HEIC on Mac. Part 4. How to turn HEIC to JPG on Mac with Automator. Open Automator. Create new quick action. Use Get Specified Finder items to add pictures. Add change type of images. Choose JPG. Click Run to execute the workflow.